Now I am going to start another bridge course topic in chemistry by the name is redox reactions. The redox reaction is defined as the reactions in which both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Such kind of reactions we have to call as redox reactions. So, to understand in detail what is the exact meaning of redox reactions, first we have to understand what is oxidation, why mentioned oxidation, and what is the meaning of reduction. Oxidation we must know, reduction we must know, then we can understand the meaning of redox reactions. So first we are going to discuss what is oxidation. Oxidation. So there are many definitions for the oxidation. Among them, the first one is oxidation is defined as addition of oxygen. So I am taking Mg plus O2 used raised to MgO. Oxygen is added to the magnesium. So addition of oxygen to an element is called as oxidation. We can take one more example, C plus O2 used raised to CO2. In this case, oxygen is added to the carbon. Addition of oxygen is called as oxidation. Addition of oxygen. And another definition for oxidation is removal of hydrogen. Instead of adding oxygen, we can remove the hydrogen also. Removal of hydrogen also called as oxidation. Let us take an example. H2S plus Cl2. H2S plus Cl2 gives rise to HCl plus S. So in this case, sulfur is attached to the hydrogen. We remove this hydrogen and we make the sulfur free. So in this case, what we did is removal of hydrogen. The removal of hydrogen is also called as oxidation. Another definition. Addition of oxygen is called as oxidation. Removal of hydrogen is also called as oxidation. Even we have another definition. This is a modern definition. This is very, very important. So most of the cases, this definition we are going to get used. That is increase in oxidation number. Oxidation number is nothing but the apparent charge or actual charge present on an atom in a molecule is called as oxidation number. Oxidation, based on oxidation number, you can define oxidation. So oxidation is defined as an increase in oxidation number. I am taking sodium. Sodium will lose an electron. It is a metal ion. So Na plus will get 1 electron. Sodium converting into sodium plus ion. So from here to here, this is elemental state. One more important point, any element is given to you, that element oxidation number is taken as 0 because it is neutral. So this is an element oxidation number is 0. So understanding function writing sodium is element, it is oxidation number 0. So zinc is an element, is oxidation number 0. Copper element oxidation number 0. Even hydrogen oxidation number is 0. Element oxygen oxidation number is 0. Elemental state we have to take oxidation numbers are 0. This point we should not forget. Here is sodium is an element, its oxidation number is 0, and the charge present upon it is plus 1. So its oxidation number is plus 1. The number is 0 to plus 1. The number is increased. Increase in oxidation number is called as oxidation. Element is 0. Sodium losing of electron converting in Na plus ion. The charge present on this ion, Na plus ion is nothing but oxidation number. Oxidation number of sodium is plus 1. So 0 to plus 1. Number is increased. Increase in oxidation number is called as oxidation. I will take one more example of magnesium. Magnesium lost 2 electrons converted into Mg plus 2 plus 2 electrons. So element, magnesium is element, oxidation number is 0, elemental state. Charge present on the magnesium is plus 2, oxidation number of magnesium is plus 2. So plus 2, 0 to plus 2. Our number is 0 to plus means number is increased. So it is also nothing but oxidation. Increase in oxidation number is called as oxidation. Third definition, increase in oxidation number. Increase in oxidation number is called oxidation. I already said oxidation number nothing but apparent charge present on the or actual charge present on the atom in a molecule is called as oxidation. So charge present on the Na plus is plus 1, oxidation number is plus 1. Charge present on the magnesium plus 2 is plus 2, so that oxidation number is plus 2. This is the case relating to the oxidation. Then we have to understand the term of reduction. Reduction. The reduction is defined as opposite to oxidation is the reduction. So what is the opposite to oxidation is addition of oxygen is called oxidation. So opposite is removal of oxygen. Removal of oxygen is called as reduction. So let us take an example for understanding. First point, first definition. I am taking CuO. So CuO will react with carbon. Copper oxide react with carbon will produce Cu plus Cu. In this reaction, what we did is oxygen is removed from the copper. We made the copper free. Removal of oxygen is called as reduction. Removal of oxygen is called as reduction. One definition. And another definition is opposite to this one. Removal of hydrogen is oxidation. Opposite to addition of hydrogen is reduction. The second definition is addition of hydrogen. I am taking H2 plus Cl2 gives rise to 2HCl. In this case, hydrogen is added to the chlorine. Addition of hydrogen to any element or a compound, we have to call it as a reduction. So this is addition of hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen is a reduction. Third, another definition is it is increase in oxidation number opposite to it. All the cases reduction is opposite to oxidation, oxidation opposite to reduction. It is addition of oxygen is oxidation, removal is reduction. Removal of hydrogen is oxidation. Removal in the sense we have the addition of hydrogen is reduction. It is increase in oxidation number, so here we have take a decrease. Opposite to that we have take here. And the modern definition of reduction is decrease in oxidation number is called as reduction. Let us take an example. F plus 1 electron gives rise to F minus. Here is oxidation number of element is I already told you 0. Here is oxidation number of this fluorine is minus 1. So 0 to minus 1, the number is decreased. Decrease in oxidation number is called as a reduction. We can take one more example. Oxygen I am taking O, and it will take 2 electrons. Take 2 electrons, then gives rise to O minus 2. Here is elemental state oxidation number is 0, and this charge present on oxygen is minus 2. So 0 to minus 2, number is decreased. It is also nothing but reduction. So simply how we define is decrease in oxidation number. Decrease in oxidation number is called as a reduction. So already we discussed oxidation definitions quite opposite to the reduction. Reduction quite opposite to the oxidation. So addition of oxygen is oxidation. Opposite is removal of oxygen is reduction. And removal of hydrogen is oxidation. Opposite is addition of hydrogen is reduction. And increase in oxidation number is oxidation. Opposite is decrease in oxidation number is reduction. So by combining oxidation and reduction, we can define a redox reaction. So redox reaction is reduction will be takes place as usual. Oxidation oxygen is going to get takes place. Let us take an example for understanding of what is a redox reaction. Here I am taking Zn react with copper plus Cu gives rise to Zn plus 2 plus Cu. This is the equation. In this equation, Zn element state. So Zn is element oxidation number is 0. Here is Zn is plus 2. So 0 to plus 2. Zinc is converted into 0 to plus 2. 0 to plus 2 in the sense number is increased. Increase in oxidation number. Increase in oxidation number is called as oxidation. So this is oxidation. Copper is charge present on the copper is plus 2. So I am writing here is this is plus 2. It is an element. Element we have to take evaluate the condition. Elemental state we have to take oxidation number is 0. So element is 0. So plus 2 to 0. Number is decreased. So decrease in oxidation number method we have to take as a reduction. Reduction. So this is only one single reaction. In this single reaction, oxidation is taking place, reduction is taking place. Both oxidation and reduction taking place simultaneously. Such reactions are called as redox reactions. So that we can define redox reactions as the reactions in which both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Such reactions are called as redox reactions. Even this is also a redox reaction. Even this one also a redox reaction. So how it is a redox reaction? Magnesium element is 0. Oxidation number. Here magnesium is already said magnesium oxidation number is plus 2. So 0 to plus 2 in this molecule. 0 to plus 2. Here is oxygen element. Element I already said is 0. I am rubbing it. Element is 0. And oxidation number of oxygen I told minus 2. Charge, apparent charge is minus 2. In this case, actually minus 2 we have to take. So 0 to minus 2. 0 to plus 2. 0 to minus 2. 0 to plus 2 since number is increases. Increase nothing but what? Oxidation. 0 to minus 2. Number is decrease nothing but what? Reduction. Oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in this reaction. This reaction is comes under redox reactions. So this is the meaning of redox reaction. It is a reduction cum oxidation. Both takes place. One more important point is simultaneously. Now let us look into the types of redox reactions. Types of redox reactions. So redox reactions are mainly 4 types we have. The first one is combination reactions. Combination reactions. The second one is decomposition reactions. Decomposition reactions. The third one is displacement. Displacement reactions. And the fourth one is disproportionation. Disproportionation reactions. So these are the types of redox reactions. One is combination reactions, decomposition reactions, displacement reactions, and disproportionation reactions. Now let us look into the one by one what is the meaning and by taking some examples. The first one is combination reactions. Combination reaction. The combination reaction is a reactions in which 2 or more elements combine to form a product. So general example taking H2 plus O2 gives rise to H2O. So 2 elements will combine each other to form a product. In this case, how it is a redox reaction? First, hydrogen element is 0 and hydrogen I already told substitution number is plus 1. So 0 to plus 1. Number is increased. Increase in number is nothing but oxidation. Oxidation. Oxygen is a 0 element and oxygen is already told it is our current charge is minus 2. So 0 to minus 2 is a reduction, decrease. Decrease in oxidation number. So 0 to minus 2, 0 to plus 1. Increase in oxidation number is oxidation, decrease in oxidation number is called reduction. So this is a chemical combination reaction. The combination reactions in which 2 or more elements combine to form a single product. So in this case, one is undergoing oxidation, another element is undergoing a reduction. Let us take one more example for the combination reaction. So you can take C plus O2 gives rise to CO. So this is also two elements combined to form a product. So these are combination reactions. The second category of reaction is decomposition reactions. Decomposition reactions. So let us take an example of decomposition reaction taking H2O. Opposite this one you can take. So this is combination. Opposite is a decomposition. H2O. H2O split into H2 plus O2. H2 plus O2. So the decomposition reaction is which a splitting of a compound into two or more substances. A splitting of a decomposition of compound into two or more substances is called as a decomposition reaction. Even this is a redox reaction. So why it is oxygen, I already told this is -2 and oxygen is element to 0. So -2 to 0. Number is increased. Increasing oxidation number nothing but oxidation. This is oxidation. And the hydrogen is here is +1. Element is 0. Opposite we are going to get reduction. If you make the reversing of equation, oxidation reduction process will become opposite. Here is HO to H plus is oxidation, but here is H plus to H2O, H2 0 oxidation is reduction. So this is an example of decomposition reaction. You can take one more example, KClO3. KClO3 upon heating the product is KCl plus O2. I did not the balance equation, just I wrote the products. If you want to balance 2 KClO3 gives us to 2 KCl plus 3 O2. It is also a decomposition reaction. So one compound is split into two or more substances. These type of reactions are called as decomposition reactions. And the third category is displacement reactions. Displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. So the displacement reactions are the reactions in which an atom or ion from its compound is displaced by an atom is called as displacement. Generally, you can take an example. In these two categories is there. One is metal displacement will be there. Another one is non-metal displacement will be there. So metal displacement. The second one is non-metal displacement. Let us look into the metal displacement first. By taking this, we can understand what is the exact meaning of displacement reaction. So Zn plus CuSO4. Here is a copper attached to the SO4. Zinc is alone is there. Then in a product ZnSO4 plus Cu. Zinc replaces the copper. Copper is displaced by zinc and occupying its place. The reactions in which one element displaces the other atom or ion in its compound and occupy its place. That type of reactions are called as displacement reactions. Here is metal displaces metal. So metal displacement reactions. Here you can take Cu plus AgNO3. Cu plus AgNO3, two molecules we have taken. The product is CuNO3 taken twice plus 2A. In this case, copper displaces silver. In this case, zinc displaces copper. Metal displaces metal. So that we call it as metal displacement. And the second one is non-metal displacement. Non-metal displacement. Non-metal displacement. So these are the displacement reactions in which metal displaces the non-metal from its compound. Suppose I am taking magnesium, Mg plus H2O. Mg plus H2O gives rise to MgOH taken twice plus H2. If you look at this equation, what we understand is magnesium is a metal, hydrogen is a non-metal. Magnesium displaces hydrogen and occupying its place. Hydrogen will come outside. So if you want to balance 2H2O, Mg plus 2H2 gives us to MgOH taken this plus H2. We can take Zn plus HCl. Zn plus HCl gives rise to ZnCl2 plus H2. 2HCl. So here is metal zinc displaces non-metal hydrogen. So metal displaces non-metal and occupying its place. So this is another example of displacement reaction. Displacement reactions are the reactions in which an element or atom displaces the other atom from its compounds and occupies its place. So these are two categories: metal displacement and non-metal displacement. Metal displaces metal is a metal displacement. Metal displaces a non-metal is a non-metal displacement. Then fourth category of reaction what we have is disproportionation reactions. So disproportionation reactions. It is a special category of reaction in which only one compound or one molecule simultaneously undergo oxidation reaction will produce products in which one compound is at a higher oxidation state, one compound is at lower oxidation state when compared to the original one. Let us understand by taking example. I am taking hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. Hydrogen peroxide. In the peroxide, oxidation number of oxygen is -1. Actual oxygen is -2, but in the case of peroxide, so oxidation number of oxygen is -1. So this hydrogen peroxide H2O2 converting into H2O plus O2. So these are the products formed. H2O2 converting into H2O plus O2. Oxidation number of oxygen here is -2. So -1 to -2. Number is decreased. Decreased, I already told, decreasing oxidation number is called as oxidation. Decreasing oxidation number is called as reduction. And oxygen I am taking as -1. This -1 converting into element. Element in the sense what? 0. Oxidation number is 0. So -1 to 0. Number is increased. Increase in oxidation number is called as oxidation. Increase in oxidation number is called oxidation. Only one compound giving two products. In these two products, one product has oxidation number is higher value when compared to the original one. Original one is -1. One product has 0, so higher oxidation number. One product is at lower oxidation state when compared to the original one. Original reactant oxidation number is -1. One product is lower -2. One product is higher +1. So one compound undergo redox reaction, simultaneously undergo splitting. In this reaction, one product is higher oxidation state, one product is at lower oxidation state. Such type of reactions are called as disproportionation reactions. The disproportionation reactions are the reactions in which only one compound simultaneously undergo oxidation and reduction will produce a product in which one product is at a higher oxidation state, one product is at a lower oxidation state when compared to the original reactant. Such type of reactions are called as disproportionation reactions. So these are the types of redox reactions. Redox reactions are the four types: combination reactions, decomposition reactions, displacement reactions, disproportionation reactions. Let us recall what so far we learned what is oxidation and what is reduction. So oxidation meaning is addition of oxygen is called as oxidation, removal of hydrogen is called as oxidation, or increase in oxidation number is called as oxidation. Oxidation opposite only reduction. Opposite is what? Removal of oxygen is reduction, addition of hydrogen is reduction, and decrease in oxidation number is oxidation. Decrease in oxidation number is reduction. And we learn redox reaction. Redox reactions are the reactions in which both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. Such reactions are called as redox reactions. They are four types: combination, decomposition, displacement, and disproportionation reactions. So next class will come with another bridge course topic.